How to find elements by class. I'm having trouble parsing HTML elements with a class attribute using beautifulsoup. The code looks like this. I get an error on the same line after the script finishes. How do I get rid of this error?
You can refine your search to only find those divs with a given class using BS3.
From the documentation. As a beautifulsoup for 1.2, you can search by CSS class using the keyword argument class underscore, which in this case would be. It would also work for
Update 2016. In the latest version of beautifulsoup, the method findAll has been renamed to find_all. Link to official documentation. Hence the answer will be
CSS selectors. Single class first match. List of matches. Compound class, i.e. and another class. Spaces in compound class names, e.g. class equals style_listro other class name, are replaced with dot. You can continue to add classes, list of classes, or match whichever present. Class attribute whose values contains a string, e.g. with style_listro. Starts with style. Ends with row. Contains list. The caret, dollar and asterisk are operators. Read more here. https://developer.mozilla. If you wanted to exclude this class, then, with anchor tag as an example, selecting anchor tags without this class. You can pass simple, compound and complex CSS selectors lists inside of not pseudo class. See https://facelessuser.github. Not. New. In order to avoid conflicts with future CSS specification changes, non-standard pseudo-classes will now start with the soup prefix. As a consequence, contains will now be known as soup contains, though for a time the deprecated form of contains will still be allowed with a warning that users should migrate over to soup contains.new. Added new non-standard pseudo-class, soup contains own, which operates similar to soup contains, except that it only looks at text nodes directly associated with the currently scoped element and not its descendants. Specific class which has a certain child element, e.g. a tag.
Specific to beautifulsoup 3. We'll find all of these.